Welcome to a celebration of spring where rustic charm meets the joyful spirit of May Day. As the season awakens the earth with fresh blooms and gentle sunshine, it invites us to refresh our homes with warmth and simplicity. In this video, we'll explore how to capture the essence of rustic May Day decor, blending natural textures, vintage accents, and cozy details to create a welcoming and serene atmosphere. Spring is a time of renewal, and May Day symbolizes the height of this transformation. Incorporating rustic decor allows you to mirror nature's rebirth indoors, using earthy tones, aged materials, and handcrafted elements. Think of your space as a canvas where soft pastels meet weathered wood, bringing the outdoors inside in a way that feels organic and comforting. Start your decor journey with natural materials like wood, linen, burlap, and wicker. These elements create a grounded aesthetic that defines rustic style. Wooden trays, woven baskets, and linen tablecloths not only add texture but also evoke a sense of authenticity, making your home feel connected to the simplicity of countryside living. No May Day decor is complete without flowers. Choose wildflowers, daisies, lavender, or tulips arranged loosely in mason jars or vintage pitchers. The imperfect arrangement enhances the rustic feel, while greenery such as eucalyptus or ferns adds a refreshing touch that breathes life into every corner of your home. Incorporate vintage pieces like antique frames, distressed lanterns, or old watering cans. These items tell a story and bring character into your space. Mixing old and new elements creates depth, allowing your decor to feel curated rather than staged, which is key to achieving a cozy rustic vibe. Set the tone right at your doorstep with a rustic May Day wreath made of twigs, dried flowers, and ribbons. Add a wooden bench or crate with potted plants to create a welcoming entrance. This small detail instantly signals the warmth and charm that awaits inside your home. In the living room, layer soft throws, neutral cushions, and textured rugs to create a cozy retreat. Use soft lighting from candles or string lights to enhance the ambience. A rustic coffee table styled with books, flowers, and a wooden tray can serve as a beautiful focal point. Transform your dining area with a farmhouse-style setup. Use a wooden table, simple ceramic dishes, and cloth napkins tied with twine. A centerpiece of fresh flowers or a rustic wooden box filled with greenery adds a seasonal touch that feels both elegant and effortless. Choose a palette of soft whites, creams, blush pinks, sage greens, and muted yellows. These colors reflect the freshness of spring while maintaining the calmness of rustic decor. Avoid overly bright tones and instead focus on hues that feel natural and soothing. Add a personal touch with DIY decor such as hand-painted signs, floral garlands, or upcycled jars. Handmade elements not only save money but also make your space feel more intimate and unique. Imperfections in these pieces enhance the rustic aesthetic beautifully. Celebrate May Day traditions by creating small floral baskets or cones filled with blooms. Hang them on doors or place them around your home as cheerful accents. These traditional touches bring a sense of nostalgia and celebration into your decor. In the kitchen, display wooden cutting boards, glass jars filled with herbs, and vintage utensils. Open Wooden shelving styled with simple ceramics and greenery can transform the space into a charming rustic haven that feels both functional and beautiful. Extend your decor outdoors by creating a cozy patio or garden nook. Use wooden furniture, soft cushions, and lanterns to create a relaxing retreat. Add potted flowers and string lights to make the space perfect for enjoying warm spring evenings. Lighting plays a crucial role in rustic decor. Opt for warm, soft lighting through candles, fairy lights, or vintage-style lamps. The gentle glow enhances the cozy atmosphere and highlights the natural textures throughout your home. Combine different textures like rough wood, soft fabrics, and delicate florals to create visual interest. Layering textures adds richness to your decor and makes each space feel thoughtfully designed while maintaining the relaxed essence of rustic style. The key to rustic May Day decor is balance. Blend natural elements, vintage finds, and soft colors to create a harmonious space. Avoid over-decorating and let each piece breathe, allowing the beauty of simplicity to shine through. As we celebrate spring with rustic May Day charm, remember that the goal is to create a home that feels warm, welcoming, and connected to nature. By embracing simple materials, soft colors, and meaningful details, you can transform your space into a cozy sanctuary that captures the true spirit of the season.